Hello friends, so today I'll be sharing a quick art and craft hack with you. So many times you have seen the inner paints get dried and even for the outer lids get tight. So here is a quick tip for it. Whenever you open a new bottle, either it's a chalk paint or acrylic paint, simply apply oil on or Vaseline on the outer rim. For that, you can take oil either on a tissue or on a cotton swab and you apply thoroughly on the outer rim of your bottle like this. Once you do it, now you can easily open and close the lid. Also, paint will not dry and get stuck in the lids. So I have applied oil on all the 5 bottles and they are ready to use. So if you are into the card making and you are a crafter, you must be having these kinds of distress or archival ink pads. At times you get confused how to organize these ink pads. So here is a quick tip. This way you can write the names on the paper strip or you can get the printout and cut and paste with the help of a sellotape on the sides of your ink pad. Now you can even easily stack them on one another and easily read their names. You can even write the names on these price tags and stick it. The second problem comes for how to identify the colors. So like this, you can color it on your price tag and remove it. Once it dries, cut it into half and paste it on the side of your ink pads. You can do the same way with all your ink pads. You can color it your price tags and keep it beside so you don't get confused. Whenever we use archival ink for the stenciling, at times the stains doesn't go with the soap and water. So here is the quick and cheap way to clean it. Don't invest in expensive cleaner to clean these stencils. Simply take any rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer, spray it on a tissue and clean your stencils gently like this. You can even use your baby wipes to clean your stencils. Can you see how easy it is to clean your stencils? I hope now you'll try for sure. How to clean these stamps. So again, I'm taking my this alcohol and I'm spraying it and you clean it. See, can you see? Such a quick way to clean your stamps, to clean your stencils, everything. In the same way, using this rubbing alcohol or your hand sanitizer, you can easily clean your scoring board and your paper cutter and your stencils and your stamps also. You need not invest in hefty amount in buying those cleaning solutions. With the simple and quick things lying at your home, you can easily clean them. So I hope you like the quick tips given by me and you'll try for sure. So friends, thank you for watching my video. I hope you loved it. If you loved it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates from IG Creative Store.